So in this video, we'll show you how you can log in to your ICRP portal. As you can see, update has been made. Like this is a public notice here. An update has been made on the security update. So due to the breach that happened with CAC portal, they decide to update their security process, right? So they upgraded it to a multi-factor authentication, even though that's how it is before, but they added one more process to it again. So before, we are only restricted to like OTP, code and all of that, but now you have to log in through your Google Authenticator app, right? So you have to download your Authenticator app. We'll show you the process in this video, how you can download your Authenticator app and also how you can log in, right? So if you make use of other like a third party portal, maybe you make use of an accredited agent portal like mine, we'll also show you how you can log in through your Authenticator app. So if you are an accredited agent owner, like you have a portal, like you have a portal, accredited agent portal of your own, right? What you just have to do is you click reset password. So after clicking on reset password, you create a new password. At this stage, you are expected to create a new password that is more stronger, right? After that, you download an Authenticator app. We'll show you the Authenticator app in this video as well. Then you set up your multi-factor authentication. Once you have your app, you reset your app, you reset your password, you log into your ICRP, then you follow the instruction. So there'll be a QR code, which we'll also be showing you in this video. There'll be a QR code that will display on your screen with your Authenticator app. So you just have to scan the Authenticator, you scan the QR code with your Authenticator app. We'll show you how you can do that as well in this video, but we're just going through the public notice portal, right? So after that, you will be able to log in. But one thing you need to know is that make sure you create a new strong password, right? Create a new strong password, because you no longer use the password that you were using before. You have to create a new one that is more stronger, and you simply enter the one-time password from your Authenticator app. And make sure that whenever you want to log in, you stick to the timer. There will be a timer that will be loading in your Authenticator app. Make sure you click in the code before the timer resets, right? So we'll show you as well. After downloading a app, you log in with your email, then you scan the QR code showing on your dashboard. This process is not showing because it is a sensitive part, right? So you click on the 3 line on the top left corner, then you click on import code, then you'll be able to log in on your dashboard using the same code, right? So you just click on the code that is showing. Make sure you do not exceed the 60-second timeline, because the Authenticator counts for 60 seconds, right? So you type in the code and you will be able to log in. But if you are using an accredited agent portal, like you are using somebody else's portal, right, it is still the same process, but you have to get the QR code from the accredited agent portal owner, like I'm doing here, right? So you just get the QR code to scan. After scanning, you import code as it is from the Authenticator app. Then you after scanning the code, you log in with the code showing on your screen, right? You log in with the code showing on your screen, and that's it. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section.